I always loved animals. I always had that in me. I always like watching wildlife animal shows and vet clinic things. And that's how I got to develop this passion for animals. And that's when I decided to go for an animal science bachelor's degree. I didn't know any English, but I always had the support from Iowa State staff, which I really appreciate. Actually, coming here and learning English showed me that I have a second passion, which is learning languages. So I took 2 years of American Sign Language, and then after that I took Portuguese. So I'm currently in my fourth language right now. I just loved it, and I learned a lot. It was an amazing experience. I loved it. And actually, a couple weeks ago, my sister got the acceptance letter, so she'll be coming here next year.
Oh my gosh.
And my parents are just like, yeah, just go.
Yeah.
Your sister did it, you'll be able to do it. Go for it.